This is the second case the court has heard in 2 years over the 2020 census and particularly concerning immigrants. And both federal law and the Constitution say that once a decade, the government is supposed to take a census of people. It doesn't say in the Constitution of citizens, it says of people. If President Trump is allowed to go ahead and exclude people who aren't living here legally from the population count in terms of divvying up seats in the House of Representatives, some states like California would stand to lose seats in the House. So that's what the fight's about. It's really about political power. It's been heard by 4 different courts around the country. 3 of those courts have said what the administration is planning to do is either illegal or unconstitutional. One court, though, last week, a court here in Washington, found that the issue was premature. It was not yet ripe to be decided because a lot of what is being complained about is speculative. It's stuff that might happen if the administration goes through and if a particular state loses seats. And it's unclear at this point whether what the administration would do would seek to exclude a few thousand or a few tens of thousands or maybe several million people. And that's really unclear. And the Solicitor General really did not provide much in the way of guidance to the court about how many people might be affected by this. Come January 20th, there'll be a new administration in office. And it's unclear whether the Biden administration would try to undo anything that Trump does in this regard, or even whether the Democrats who control the House would take some action. If the Supreme Court does not rule definitively in this area before that time, we're certain to see new lawsuits arise, and those too will play a large role in determining what ultimately happens.